Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2024 BYD Destroyer 05 Smart Key.
What we need to be prepared for is our K518 Pro, an OBD communication cable, and an original car key, and a smart key produced by our Lonsdor. First, plug in OBD communication cable. The first step is to choose Generate a Smart Key. Find BYD. Find the Destroyer. Select the first menu. The smart key produced by our Lonsdor. Put into the card slot. Click Generation. Generated successfully. Return to main menu. The second step is to select IMO and remote. Find BYD. Smart key. Select Destroyer 05. The first step is to read the key data. According to the prompts, find the key sensing area and click OK. Put the original car key in the key sensing area. Click OK. OK. Select Program Smart Key. OK. Please place the first key to be programmed. Put it in the key sensing area. Click OK. The program is successful. Whether it programs the next one. OK. Please put the second smart key to be programmed in the sensing area. Click OK. Program successful. No need to program the next one. Click Cancel. Programming complete. Number of programmed keys 2. OK. Key programming successful. Now, let's see if the key works. The original car key, step on the brake and press the start button. The original car key successfully started on the car. New key, step on the brake and press the start button. The new key started successfully. Let's try to see if the remote control is normal. Original car key lock car. Unlock. New key lock car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed the smart key for 2024 BYD Destroyer 05. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate, more spread ahead.